In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF into Canva. This is a handy skill to have if you're looking to design new documents or enhance existing PDFs with Canva's tools. By following these steps, you can import your PDF seamlessly and start working on it right away. Let's dive in and make sure you can do this with ease and confidence. First, begin by heading over to Canva. If you don't already have a Canva account, you'll want to sign up first, but assuming you do, go ahead and log in. Now you'll see the home page. What you're looking for here is the option to upload files, which is usually on the sidebar or under the Uploads tab, depending on what version or interface you are using. You'll start by clicking on the Upload button. This is a crucial first step, as it sets your intention to bring new content into Canva. Once you click on that, you'll be presented with a few options. Pay attention to these because the next click is what makes everything happen smoothly. Now, you'll want to click on the Upload Files button. After selecting this, you'll be prompted to select the PDF file you wish to upload from your computer. If your PDF is saved somewhere easily accessible, this step should be a breeze. Navigate through your folders to find the file you need. It could be on your desktop, in your Documents folder, or maybe even in a Downloads file. Wherever you've saved it, head there and select the PDF. Once you select your PDF, the file will begin uploading into Canva. It might take a few seconds to a minute depending on the size of your file and your internet connection speed. Meanwhile, you can take a quick look around Canva, but keep an eye out for the completion of your upload. After the file has successfully uploaded, you will find it in your Uploads folder on Canva's interface. From there, you can drag and drop it into any project you're working on or start a new project. This is a wonderful feature that allows you to add new design elements, text, images, or any other tools that Canva offers right onto your PDF. Remember, this process is as simple as it sounds, and once you've done it a few times, it will become second nature. This is a great way to reimagine and redesign old documents and give them a fresh look using Canva's diverse range of design tools. So there you have it. You can now say goodbye to any trouble importing PDFs into Canva, enjoy exploring and getting creative with your PDF files right within Canva, and let your imagination take your projects to new heights. Thank you for watching, and have fun designing.